Hey guys, welcome back. I have some electrical stuff here and I'm going to make some adapters for my QS8 batteries. My new Basher batteries from Gen's Ace 11,000 mAh. So we need those babies to be able to plug into a lot of stuff. There's the package number for my QS8s. That's 10 pieces, male and female, so 5 pair. And then I have IC3 battery to, that's actually a bullet connector there, a 4mm bullet connector, but I'll cut that off and tin it up. I have 3 of those, and here's the part number. And then I have my IC5s too. Part number for that. I have a couple different AMAS connectors. These were a pretty good deal. I got, I don't know, this was like $6 or something, so I'm not expecting those to be anti-spark, but they are the bigger 8mm connectors, and I have some Venom ones to try here too. There's the part number for that baby. The small rating says AS150. I don't know why that won't focus. So again, the bigger 8mm, 150 amp max. So they're not the QS8s. QS8s are 300 amp, I believe. And they're way better anti-spark. I'm expecting these Venom ones to be anti-spark, but the ones from China I don't really find are anti-spark. Just my opinion. So what I'm going to do is I got to make up an adapter with these. Alright, there's that. And then I got to make up some of those, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some up that I can plug right into the charger directly. So I'll let you know how that works out. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, just press that thumbs up button and subscribe if you can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.